Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24. Welcome for a new day of trading. It's Monday, the 18th of June, and we are looking back at the the first game from Germany yesterday at the World Cup. Unfortunately, we lost 1-0. So yeah, I don't know why I'm mentioning this, but anyhow. So let's get started, and we are focusing on our market opening trade. It's currently 8:51 here in Germany, and that means that in approximately 9 minutes we are going to trade the market opening at exactly 9 a.m. when the stock markets in Frankfurt will also open. Okay, so we have the MT4 platform looking at the M1 time frame, and we opened with a gap of around 45 points this morning. So far, DAX has been trading roughly in the lower part of the first hour box. Let's prepare, and we are going to place our lines for the first trade. Both are pending lines, as you should know by now if you are following our videos closely, and we are adjusting these pending order lines to the lower bottom of the first hour of trading. So around like this, our risk size for the first position always 0.2%. That's variable, and you can determine yourself what you would like to enter. However, 0.2 is my risk of choice here for that specific trade. For any later trade, let's say 3 p.m., 4 p.m., it would be a lower risk. So before I can trigger my order now, I gotta wait once the price is trading back below the green line. So I feel free to maybe even adjust my pending order lines. That's something I will do the next couple of moments. So it's 8:58, and unfortunately we are trading above our green line, which means that I cannot maybe now that would be something. So 1 minute to go for the live market opening, and as I mentioned before, I would like to trade the lower bottom of the first hour of trading, and once we do have another bearish candle here on the M1 minute time frame, I'd like to activate my pending orders. So if that's not going to happen, we'll wait. However, just in a second. All right, so pending lines are activated now, the green one and the red one. We just wait for a couple seconds more. All right, and here we go, it's 9 a.m. We are long with our first trade. The blue line, as always, represents our take profit for the first trade. So, and while the first trade here at the green line has been triggered, our tool, the SwissBox helper, has also placed a second pending order on the red line. So that means once we cross, or the price crosses the red pending order, we'll have two orders in the market. The first one long, the second one short, both simultaneously, but with a different volume size. So I'm just looking over to my Brazilian colleague, and he's already celebrating. What have you traded?
I traded one trade
short. Okay, he's already out of the market. DAX as well?
Yes, DAX as well.
All right, so he was trading a different setup. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So we, however, still in the trade. DAX at 12,941 points. A very calm market opening this morning. So not much of an impulse going on. 12,953, 2 more points needed to get out of the trade. Just hang in there. Now, looking at the second try to trigger our blue line. 2 more points needed, and don't be surprised, we are currently, and that's it. Trade number 412, successive trade in a row for for over 2 years, sorry. And we are just looking at an orange box. So that's something else. We do have a program for our club members. So we do have our regular SwissBox trading tool, which is an order tool really. But we do have other trading strategies as well. Anyhow, so let's get to my account history box and draw in the trade for you. Our point of entry was here, and we got out of the trade right here, resulting in a profit of 0.10% on the account balance. Yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Goodbye.